Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to reset Chevy Equinox Bluetooth. Park with ignition and accessory, open phone Bluetooth and forget the Equinox, then navigate the vehicle infotainment Bluetooth menu to remove the device. After clearing both sides, reboot the infotainment by turning the ignition fully off for 10 seconds, then back on. Finally, reinitiate pairing from the vehicle and confirm passkeys match on the phone to complete the reset process smoothly. When ready to pair, power the infotainment and open phone or Bluetooth settings, then choose Add Device or Pair New Device. On your phone, scan for Bluetooth devices and select the Equinox entry when it appears. Confirm the passkey shown on both screens, then accept prompts on the phone and vehicle to finalize pairing. Test audio and calls quickly to confirm the connection is stable and that phone contacts sync correctly. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more car tips. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker makes it easy to stream directions, music, or reminders while you prep your Equinox. It's compact and sounds great in a garage or home office. Check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals, grab one if it fits your setup, and now let's get back to the video. If pairing fails, try simple troubleshooting like restarting your phone and powering the vehicle off for several seconds. Check for system updates on your phone and any available infotainment updates for the Equinox. If the vehicle lists many paired devices, remove older entries to free space. Also toggle Bluetooth off and on, and try using a different phone to isolate the problem before pursuing dealer support or deeper diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.